So here's a walkthrough of 2822 Hidden Springs Circle. It's my mom's place and she's moving. She just got married. And she'll be moving to another location. This is the side yard. She's got a great lot. This is probably the best lot in this park. And we're not the only ones that think that. A lot of people do. Place to hang out here in the back. It's real private. Nice thing about this lot is you don't see your neighbors real easy. It's pretty secluded. And there's stuff everywhere that's still being dealt with right now. Still getting moved out. So out this way, through the trees, is the Placerville movie theater, Regal Cinemas. Actually, I'll go ahead and continue around the back. This is one of the sheds. A small shed here that's set up with, right now is a tool shed. And it's got light inside. There's a little extra deck built around the tree here. And again, out that way is the movie theater. It's down the hill. You kind of see it through there. And here's a toolbox, kind of a tool shed toolbox. And there's another storage shed. So there's two storage sheds. There's a brand new swamp cooler. It was installed last summer. There's a brand new hot water heater, also installed last summer. It's got covered parking. So again, one of the better lots in here by far. I'll come back here and get you a better view. It does need some cleaning still, and we're working on it. I'm going to go ahead and post it up as is right now and see if we get any interest in it. Okay, so the next video will be the interior. Okay, so we'll go ahead and enter the house. Here's the deck. This is what we consider the front of the house. The other side is the parking side. It's got this nice big aluminum sliding door. Come into the living room. It's got a pellet stove. A towel stand. And again, there is stuff everywhere. That's just the way it is right now. I'll go into the kitchen here in a moment. So you come in, here's the one bedroom. Come back to the master bedroom here. The house is 24 feet wide by 50 feet long. I believe that puts us at 1,200 square foot or so. Got a large walk-in corner tub shower set up in the master bedroom. Ceiling fan in the master bedroom. It's got a large closet with storage above it and storage next to it. Like a built-in dresser. Got another closet here, a very large one. So there's his and her closets. We'll come into that second bedroom now. And it's got its own bathroom. So 2 bedroom, 2 bath. And this bathroom has 2 doors in it. One entry to the guest bedroom or second bedroom, and one entry into the hall where the laundry room is. This one has a really large standing shower. Does not have a bathtub in this bathroom. And we got storage here. Towels, blankets, things like that. And of course, under counter storage. Very large mirror in this bathroom. Got a washer and dryer, and at this point they might be thrown into the deal if the price is right. Got cabinets above, got a shelf. This was the exit that goes to the parking area in the backyard. Kind of give you a feel for where that's at compared to the other video. There are the 2 sheds. Come back in and we'll go to the kitchen here. This is an updated kitchen. So these are all cabinets that go around. We'll come back to the living room here in a minute, or dining room I guess it is. Actually I don't know, there's 3 large rooms. Dining, family, and living room I guess. Got a gas stove. Lots of cabinets in this kitchen. If you like to store things like my mom does, then you got plenty of room. A real nice deep sink. A nice tall faucet with a spray attachment. Also, this LG refrigerator may go with the deal if the price is right. And the microwave. As a matter of fact, if the price is right, you could probably have everything that's left in the house right now. Including this oak table. This is an old oak table buffet set here. Okay, so we got built-in cabinets over here also. Large mirror again. And then behind this buffet is actually an electric fireplace down there. She just never used it because they have a pellet stove, they have central heat and air, and then it's got a swamp cooler, so there was no reason to use this fireplace, the electric fireplace. And there's the swamp cooler. It is brand new. It has not been trimmed around yet. I will attempt to get that done before somebody moves in, but no guarantees at this moment. So here's the other rooms. Like I say, it's about 1,200 square foot, and yes, there's a lot of stuff in here right now still. Everything's just kind of strewn around because we're moving everything around, trying to get it out of the house. Okay, and this is probably what was considered the front door originally. They don't use it because they use the sliding door, but once all the furniture's out of here and everything, you can use it however you like. Another ceiling fan in this room. Alright, so that's our tour.